attention in its Java. It's Papua Beach. Okay. My name Alexander Profurenko. You can call me Profurenko. And I will be your guide in Papua. Showing you around this beautiful paradise for the next 2 hours. And who was the journey here? Okay, my name is Alexander Profurenko. You can call me Alex. And I will be your tour guide in Papua Beach. Today, showing you around this beautiful paradise for the next few hours. To waste the journey here, I hope all your brothers pass away the moment you see the standing by sand. And fun fact, everyone, do you know the name Papua? You know? Okay, Papua come from is actually an acronym for Pasir Putih Malika. This name Papua is Pasir Putih Malika, which literally meant Malika website. Look in. That's what makes this beach so unique. UNESCO is managed to diverse natural. On the west side is after most of plain white sand. Meanwhile, on the same side, you will see dramatic exotic coral reef, sanding stone. Again, of the Indian Ocean. We get the and okay. What?
The name of the I am from the name of the city. You?
What's
Your
the
name is
what's the name? Saya tahu kan ada there are first time
and fine.
first time and you okay. Activities and recommended spot there in Papua it no di game